Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to plot a sine wave in Matlab. So let's get started. First of all, what we'll need to write is time function. So what we'll need to do is write t equals 0, so it is the starting point. Then you'll need to write 0.01, so this means our increments, and this means our max. And now let's write our frequency. So I will name it freq equals, let's say 2. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Now for the amplitude, I'm just going to set it at 5. So you can call it amplitude right here. And now you'll need to write a function. So I will write right here amplitude. And after that, you'll need just to use the plot function like that. And now if you run, you'll get a sine wave. As you can see, with the amplitude 5 and the time being from 0 to 1. So that's it. That's how you do and plot a sine wave in Matlab. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.